In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on game mode on an iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and let us know that you want more iPhone content like this. Now, game mode helps reduce distractions while you're playing so that you can focus entirely on your game. Firstly, to go ahead and open this up, just open up any game. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and open up Clash Royale, which is by far the best mobile game of all time. In some cases, game mode may turn on automatically. If it doesn't, here's what you're going to want to go ahead and do. Swipe down from the top right corner to go ahead and open up your control center. This is going to be where that battery icon usually is. Up at the top, you're going to see the name of the app that you're playing. If you don't see that, don't worry. Click on this little do not disturb arrow and then hit new focus, and there's going to be this section for gaming. Go ahead and select gaming just like so, hit customize focus, and then you can choose specific apps. Just simply hit add apps, go ahead and search for whatever game you're playing like Clash Royale or Clash of Clans, click on it and then hit done. From here, you can actually back out of this again, and now when you swipe down, you're going to be able to have the option to turn on gaming instead of like do not disturb. But it really is as simple as that. That is going to be game mode. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe before leaving this video for more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.